Seniors, top 4 juices to restore vision and memory while you sleep. A year ago, I attended a senior health summit led by neuroscientists who had seen the most tragic cases of cognitive decline, and they shared a truth that shook me to the core. Most people think their memory and sight fade like a slow sunset, but in reality, your body is screaming for help years before the darkness sets in. They revealed that the morning blurriness that takes 10 minutes to clear and those sudden, "why did I come into this room" moments are not just quirks of age. They are biological warnings that your internal systems are failing to repair themselves. While the multi-billion-dollar pharmaceutical industry is quick to offer a pill for every symptom, the sources suggest that preventative approaches are essential because effective therapies for dementia are currently lacking. Your body is designed to be a self-healing machine, but it often lacks the raw parts required to fix your neural and visual circuits while you sleep. This is a massive problem because recent findings in the Journal of Nutrition and Healthy Aging revealed a staggering statistic. 92% of adults over the age of 65 are missing at least one critical nutrient required for brain and eye restoration during rest. This means that every single night while you are resting, your memory cells and retina are effectively being starved, potentially triggering a vicious circle where nutritional deficiencies accelerate cognitive decline. If you are ready to stop being a victim of inevitable aging and want to reclaim your clarity, I encourage you to hit that like, share, and subscribe button right now. Stay with me until the very end, because the 4th juice I'm going to share is a green elixir that most people think is just for salads, but it actually contains the exact internal sunglasses your macula needs to protect your sharp central vision and stop degeneration in its tracks. Let us dive into the first powerful juice that targets both your sight and the center of your memory.
The Golden Vision Elixir. Fresh carrot juice. If you were to ask me to name the one natural drink that seniors overlook most often, it would undoubtedly be carrot juice. It is not just for kids or a simple side dish. Carrot juice is one of the few natural beverages that directly nourishes both your retina and your prefrontal cortex, which is the center of memory and focus in your brain. The science behind this is fascinating because it involves a biological conversion that happens the moment you take a sip. Carrots are incredibly rich in beta-carotene, which your body efficiently converts into vitamin A. This vitamin is essential for maintaining the health of your retina, specifically the photoreceptor cells that allow you to see in low light. Without enough vitamin A, these cells begin to degenerate, leading to night blindness, blurry vision, and chronic dry eyes, all of which are common complaints in older adults. But that is only half the story for your eyes. Carrot juice also contains lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 powerful carotenoids that are proven to protect the macula, the part of your eye responsible for sharp central vision. These compounds do more than just prevent damage. They actually help the eye recover from years of oxidative stress caused by screen exposure or UV light. When we shift our focus to the brain, the value of carrot juice becomes even more apparent for seniors. Carrots are high in falcarinol, a natural plant compound that has been shown to protect neuronal membranes and reduce inflammation in brain tissue. A study published in Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience in 2021 found that daily consumption of beta-carotene-rich juice significantly improved working memory and cognitive recall in seniors over 65, especially those exhibiting early signs of cognitive decline. To put this in perspective, participants in that study who drank just 250 milliliters of carrot juice every morning for 8 weeks showed a 13% improvement in visual recall tests compared to a placebo group. That 13% is often the vital difference between forgetting your neighbor's name and remembering exactly where you left your keys. However, there is a secret to unlocking these benefits that most people miss. Carrot juice is fat-soluble. This means your body can only absorb these life-changing nutrients if you pair them with a healthy fat. Have you ever felt like you were eating healthy but not seeing the results? This might be why. If you want to make carrot juice part of your routine, I recommend juicing 2 to 3 medium carrots fresh in the morning and drinking it with breakfast. Adding just a teaspoon of olive oil or eating a small handful of walnuts or a slice of avocado toast alongside your juice can ensure that the beta-carotene actually makes it to your brain and eyes. You might also add a slice of ginger for a metabolic kick or a squeeze of lemon for extra vitamin C. When your body gets the right fuel paired with the right delivery method, your eyes wake up and your mind sharpens in a way that makes your entire day feel different. But what happens when the problem isn't just nutrients, but the actual speed at which your blood carries those nutrients to your head? That leads us to our next deep red juice that works fast to clear brain fog. The circulation surge, earthy beet juice. Most people over 60 do not immediately think about blood flow when they worry about memory loss or blurry vision, but they absolutely should. Without strong, steady circulation, your brain and eyes are effectively starved of oxygen, the very thing they depend on to survive and repair themselves. This is where beet juice becomes your ultimate ally. Beets are uniquely rich in dietary nitrates, and when you drink this juice, those nitrates are converted into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is a natural molecule that signals your blood vessels to relax and widen, a process known as vasodilation. This matters because as your vessels expand, more oxygen-rich blood reaches your brain and retina, delivering the fuel these organs need to repair themselves, especially as you shift into your nightly rest. The clinical evidence for this is quite robust. A study published in the Nitric Oxide Journal in 2020 found that adults over 60 who drank beet juice daily had significantly improved cerebral blood flow, particularly in the frontal lobe. This is the critical area responsible for attention, decision-making, and short-term memory. After just 4 weeks of this simple habit, participants demonstrated faster reaction times and better focus during complex cognitive tests. For your eyes, this increased nitric oxide supports the delicate vascular network of the retina. It helps prevent microvascular damage that can lead to age-related macular degeneration. In fact, a 2019 study in the Journal of Ocular Pharmacology and Therapeutics confirmed that the increased nitric oxide from beet juice helped maintain retinal thickness and reduced oxidative stress in aging subjects. One of the most impressive things about beet juice is how quickly it works compared to other interventions. Unlike fat-soluble compounds that can take time to build up in your system, the production of nitric oxide from beet juice begins within just 30 minutes of consumption. This means you might notice sharper focus and clearer vision on the very same day. If you've been feeling mentally sluggish or if your eyes feel tired and strained by the mid-afternoon, this earthy elixir is exactly what your body has been waiting for. For the best results, use 1 medium raw beet, peel it, slice it, and juice it with a small apple or half an orange to balance that characteristic earthy flavor. I suggest drinking it between 2 p.m. and 4 p.m., which is usually the window when most seniors experience a drop in energy and mental clarity. You can even pair it with a brisk walk to maximize that blood flow, but even on its own, it's incredibly powerful. Just 1 glass a day ensures your brain and eyes get the oxygen-rich blood they desperately need to function. But while blood flow is the delivery system, what if you could actually help your brain rebuild the cells it has lost? Our third juice is a deep purple powerhouse that does exactly that.
3. The cellular rebuilder, wild blueberry juice. Some foods are designed to protect what you have, but wild blueberry juice actually helps rebuild what time and age have taken away. This is not just a bold claim, it is backed by the fact that blueberries are one of the richest natural sources of anthocyanins. These are powerful antioxidants that do more than just fight inflammation. They actually stimulate neurogenesis, which is the process by which your body creates new brain cells. A landmark study published in the Journals of Gerontology Series A in 2020 showed that seniors who consumed wild blueberry juice daily for 12 weeks experienced significant improvements in memory recall, processing speed, and even showed increased neural activation on MRI scans. Researchers have linked these effects to the unique ability of anthocyanins to cross the blood-brain barrier. Once they cross that barrier, they reduce oxidative stress in the hippocampus, the brain's memory hub, and enhance brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that helps brain cells survive and grow. The impact on vision is equally profound. Anthocyanins protect retinal ganglion cells, which are absolutely crucial for transmitting visual signals from your eye to your brain. A study from Molecular Vision in 2019 found that regular intake of blueberry extract preserved the retinal structure in older subjects, even when they were under significant oxidative damage. This is why blueberry juice is such an effective tool for seniors. It doesn't just slow down your decline, it supports the active regeneration of the systems that keep you thinking clearly and seeing sharply. I remember one of my patients, a 74-year-old named Helen, who was frustrated because the words on her favorite crossword puzzles were beginning to blur and her brain felt stuck. She started drinking blueberry juice every evening, and within weeks, she was back to her puzzles, smiling and sharp as ever. To get these results for yourself, I recommend using about 1 cup of fresh or frozen wild blueberries. Blend them with a little water or half a banana if you prefer a thicker consistency. The timing here is the most important part. Drink it in the evening, about 90 minutes before you go to bed. This is when your brain begins its nightly repair cycle, and these nutrients can go straight to work rebuilding your synapses while you sleep. While it won't fix everything overnight, giving your brain and eyes these specific building blocks allows them to respond and rebuild over time. Now, we have saved the most surprising juice for last, a sleep synergy drink that has been scientifically shown to reduce memory errors by a staggering percentage while you rest.
4. The Sleep Memory Architect, unsweetened tart cherry juice. We often think of memory and sleep as two separate things, but the truth is they are deeply intertwined. Medical professionals are increasingly aware that poor sleep quality is negatively correlated with memory performance in healthy aging. If you aren't sleeping deeply, your brain cannot consolidate what you learned during the day. This is why tart cherry juice is perhaps the most essential nightly juice for seniors. Tart cherries are a rare natural source of both melatonin and tryptophan. Melatonin is the hormone that helps your body transition into sleep, while tryptophan helps your body produce even more of its own melatonin. By drinking this juice, you aren't just taking a sleep aid. You are providing the biochemical precursors your brain needs to maintain its circadian rhythm and neuronal integrity. The memory benefits are not just a byproduct of better sleep, however. In a randomized controlled trial, adults between 65 and 80 years old who consumed 2 cups of Montmorency tart cherry juice daily for 12 weeks showed remarkable cognitive improvements. Specifically, they performed significantly better on paired associates learning tasks, a measure of episodic memory, and improved their visual sustained attention. Perhaps most impressively, the tart cherry group saw a 23% reduction in errors in episodic visual memory compared to a control group. Think about that, a nearly 1/4 reduction in memory mistakes just from a daily juice. Researchers believe these benefits come from the juice's ability to lower systolic blood pressure and reduce inflammation, which in turn improves cerebral blood flow. To maximize this architectural repair of your memory, you must choose 100% unsweetened tart cherry juice, as added sugars can interfere with nutrient absorption and actually disrupt your sleep. You can drink up to 16 ounces a day. I recommend having a glass about an hour before bed. This fits perfectly into a wind-down routine, perhaps alongside a book or a warm bath. If the tartness is too much for you, you can dilute it with a little water or even look for tart cherry extract capsules, which studies show are also effective. By improving your sleep quality, you are literally giving your brain the quiet time it needs to use the anthocyanins from your blueberries and the nitrates from your beets to rebuild your mind. How many of you struggle more with staying asleep or with remembering names? Let me know in the comments which of these challenges is your biggest hurdle, because these juices work best when we tailor them to your specific needs. If you choose to ignore these signs, the blurry morning vision, the midday brain fog, the forgotten names, the reality is that these small systems will continue to wear down. The fragile blood vessels in your retina and the communication lines between your brain cells can become dulled by time and inflammation, potentially leading to a permanent loss of independence. Nutritional care must be an integral part of your daily management to prevent the vicious circle where decreased intake leads to cognitive decline, which then makes it even harder to eat and drink properly. Do not let your best years slip away when the solution might be as simple as what you pour into your glass today. Take the first step by trying just one of these juices this week, whether it is the morning carrot juice or the evening tart cherry elixir, and stay consistent, because healing happens when you support your body a little bit every single day. Thank you for spending your time with me. Please hit that like button if this was helpful and share this with your friends. In our next video, we will be diving into the hidden brain killers in your kitchen, specific common foods that might be sabotaging all the hard work your juices are doing. Until then, stay well, stay sharp, and stay curious.